What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. Alright, so we back in with another video. Full disclaimer, this whole video, all of this whole lot is a flip. So if you're interested, reach out to me, email, via YouTube, whatever you want to do if you're interested in the whole lot. I got about 40 Star Wars inspired Funko Pops. Yes, I said Funko Pops. So if you're interested, reach out to me. This whole lot is a flip. I'm not gonna say the price online on live, but if you're interested, trust me, it's a good price. And if you're a fanatic, you into Star Wars, you like Funko Pops, this is the lot for you. Alright, let's get into it because I want to get through all 40. Alright, so Funko Pops, straight up, off the bat. These things will cost money. These things are worth money. If you're interested, hit me up. If not, just sit back and be entertained. Alright, so first up, we got C-3PO, staple in Star Wars. Like I said, some of these are exclusive. You know, look them up for yourself. Do whatever you need to do. C-3PO, the number 64. Check it out. CP3O. That's the first one on deck. Up next, we got Sabine. 131. Walmart exclusive. Not Walmart, sorry. Walgreens exclusive. The number 131. Masked. Check it out. Next up, we got the Yoda Spirit. This one is another Walgreens exclusive. It glows in the dark, as you can see right there. Glows in the dark. Dope. Check that out. Star Wars Yoda Spirit. Alright, up next, we got the Skyrim Storm Trooper. Another Walgreens exclusive, War 156. Alright, up next, we got the Bib Fortuna, number 53. Do your research on any one of these. I'm not looking to split it up. So it's going to be sold as a lot. Bib Fortuna. We got Ray. Walgreens exclusive. 114. Got another Yoda, simple Yoda. This one don't glow in the dark, it's just a regular one. 02 is the number. Tell you got a lot of them, so I'm trying to get through all of them. Neon Noombi, GameStop exclusive, number 88. If I'm pronouncing the names wrong, it's all good. You can read it right there for yourself. Number 88. Luke Skywalker, X-Wing pilot. Number 17. Some of them still got the price on it. Got a Snow Trooper. Walgreens exclusive. Number 56. Next up, we got Boba Fett, number 8, Walgreens exclusive, prototype. Moving fast because I'm just trying to get through all of them. We got an unmasked Vader, number 43. It's Darth Vader unmasked for those that don't know, but check it out. Got Princess Leia, number 50. Princess Leia. Up next, we got Chewbacca, number 06. We got the Sidon Adano, number 83. Sidon Adano. Captain Phasma, number 65. Like I said, you can look up any of these yourself. If you're interested, hit me up. But I'm looking to sell as a lot. We got the Rees, number 95. Another Walgreens exclusive. Another Stormtrooper, 05. Got the Luke Skywalker Jedi, number 11. The Kit Fisto. Another Walgreens exclusive, number 96. The Fighter Pilot, 51. Box is a little bit damaged on this one, but it is what it is. The figure inside, pristine, never touched. Another Boba Fett prototype, number 08, Walgreens exclusive, Boba Fett. That Driver, 92, Walgreens exclusive. Got the Admiral Akbar, number 81. Up next, we got the Kylo Ren, number 60. Mint condition box. First Order Stormtrooper, number 66. Up next, we got another First Order Flame Trooper, number 68. Up next, we got the Tusken Raider, number 19. Tusken Raider, number 19. Still going. Luke Skywalker, number 49. Han Solo, number 79. Poe Dameron, number 62. Another Han Solo, 03. The number. We got Finn, number 59. We got Numbi. Then we got Chewbacca, 63. First Order Snow Troop, another one. Varmic, 84. Got Marine Guard, 12, sorry. Imperial Guard, number 57. Another Walgreens exclusive. And last but not least, number 40, we got the Plo Koon, 97. So if you're interested, like I said at the beginning of the video, hit me up. I'll reach out to you. I'll give you the number that I'm looking for. If you're interested, let me know. And I'll get back to you and I'll let you know exactly what I'm looking for to get for all of them. That's 40 of them. We have some doubles, but it is what it is. If you're interested, hit me up. Like I say at the end of every video, 3 things in life you got to remember. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.